Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. In this video we will see how to introduce yourself or present yourself in English. So we're going to see two different things about introducing yourself in English. First, we are going to see the steps, and then we will see an example. So let's start by the steps. First things first, you need to start by greeting, by saying hi or hello. Second, you say your full name. For example, my name is Sarah or Joan. Third, you have to mention your age. For example, I'm 15 years old. Then you state your country and city. So for example, I'm from Spain, Barcelona. Then you state your nationality. I am Spanish. Last but not least, you mention your job and occupation. For example, I'm a teacher. If you are a student, you need to say I'm a student. So remember, number 1, greeting. Number 2, full name. Number 3, age. Number 4, country, city. Number 5, nationality. Number 6, jobs and occupation. And of course, don't forget, if you are a student, you don't have a job, you say only I'm a student. So the form will be the following. Hi or hello, my name is, okay, you complete it with your full name. I am, you put your number, of course your age. I'm years old. I'm from, you write your country, comma, city. Okay, you put your nationality, and then you put your occupation. So here is an example. Hi, my name is Natalie Smith. I'm 17 years old. I'm from USA, California. I'm American. I'm a student. So I'm gonna repeat for you. Hi, my name is Natalie Smith. I'm 17 years old. I'm from USA, California. I'm American. I'm a student. So this was the video of today about how to introduce yourself in English. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the button of subscribe and share with your friends. So until the next video, bye bye.